Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. I am Ed, and in this video I put together a little bit of a script to highlight color in a DAG, especially if you're managing a large number of servers and environment and many DAGs, and to try and find a database, like if there's an issue. Yes, you'll find it if you scroll slow enough, etc. But what I did is I created a script that writes to a text file, and then it reads the text file and basically shows you on color where there's an issue, and your eyes will pick up color a lot quicker than just looking at gray or white. So if I copy the code here and I paste it in, as you can see here, I've highlighted that two are green, one is yellow, and one is red. So as you can see, failed state, failed and suspended, and then suspended is in yellow. So I want to just show you how easy it is and how quickly your eyes actually pick up the color versus running a normal get mailbox database copy status command, where yes, you'll see this, however your eyes will pick up the color quickly. You know exactly where to go and look, and you can go and fix the DAG or the stores that have issues. Just something I put together. I'll make it available in the video as well, that you can download the script, free to use, free to change, whatever you want to do. It's just something small I thought might help the community out there. Thank you very much for watching.